Welcome each month anew with Designer Stencils' 12-month Welcome Porch Leaner project.
See the description for the required materials and dimensions. After sanding all the pieces, paint the wood with a quality exterior white paint. Next, take some repositionable spray adhesive and spray the backside of your welcome stencil. Center the stencil on the board and press to make sure it makes good contact all around. Shake each bottle of Americana acrylic paint prior to use. Use a high-density roller and remove excess paint on a clean paper towel to prevent bleeding under the stencil. Mask off a border around the edge of the board using frog tape painter's tape. Once the border is complete, pull the stencil and tape to reveal your new welcome sign. For the month pattern squares, repeat the above process of stencil placement. Then, use a stencil brush and lightly stipple the paint onto each square. Next, drill a small hole through the top of each square, making sure it's centered between the left and right sides. Hammer a small nail into the board above the O where the squares will hang. Now you're ready to welcome guests to your home each month in a unique and special way.
For more tips and ideas, visit designerstencils.com today.